Hi everyone. I just wanted to welcome you to open house. I'm not able to make it today. I had made a really long video and for some reason it didn't take. So I do have my presentation attached. Please go through it. If you have any questions, email me. My contact information is at the end of the presentation. I'm so sorry I can't be there today. I'm having a procedure done tomorrow and I'll be out for the next 2 days and I have to get ready tonight. So again, I'm so sorry for missing you. Your students and I have a great idea. They'd love it if you did a tiny art prompt, just like they do at the beginning of class. So our idea was that you and a friend or a partner are sitting across from each other and you draw each other and you only have 5 minutes. And then you present those drawings to your student and your student judges which one's the winner. And then the winner will be emailed, a photograph will be emailed to myself, and then we get to share it with the class. So the students thought that was a great idea. I did too. So it's optional, but if you are so inclined, please do that. Also, let's see, I wanted to be, this is not in the presentation, so I just wanted to let you guys know what we do when we come to class. They start out with a tiny art that's on a Post-it, and I have a prompt on the board. It's usually has to do with maybe space or a certain technique, or it's just using your imagination and your creativity. Today it was definitely, or yesterday was one about neo-expressionism, and we have them about modern art, or we have movement, create movement. You're climbing the highest mountain, things like that. It's just, it's a lot of fun. The students love it. They have about 5 minutes to do that. And then we move on to agenda, and I get to explain the agenda. And then we do sketchbook work for 10 minutes. And then we go on to the sample introduction to what we're going to be doing that day. And then they have 15 to 20 minutes to work. And then we do top 5, which is the 5 tiny art that creations that I have picked out, and then we vote on those. And then the winners get tickets. And then at the end of 3 weeks, we do a raffle drawing, and the winners get to pick an award. You know, I'll have like different items that I've bought, and then they can choose from that. So that'll be throughout the year, and they get really excited about that. Again, please go through my presentation. It has a little bit about me, where I'm from, my background, my family, my life in art, as well as year of glance, what we're doing this year, our daily grades, our quiz grades and major grades, our class rules, our behavior, what we would like donate. If you'd like to donate some recycled items, we'll always be glad to take those, as well as the art fee and what was requested of them. And any questions that you may have, contact information is all on there. Let's see. I did let them know that I will be out the next 2 days. They do know that. So if you are sending art fee, because there are a few students that have not paid yet, you will see a 0 or an M in the skyward. That is because they didn't bring their art fee back. I don't want to have that on there. So if there is a special reason, please email me or get a hold of a counselor if we're needing a scholarship. But if you are going to send that, please bring it on Tuesday, because I will not be here tomorrow, and I do not want the substitutes handling the money. They should not be doing that. As well as if the class is out of control, we'll be dealing with that next week. I don't feel like they're going to be, but I have let them know we will be learning about art definitions and examples of those definitions next week instead of going into graphite. That's because, it's not fair to the sub if there's behaviors as well as for the other students. But I don't see that happening. So again, there's about the behavior, expectations, recycling, art fee, year at glance, our daily grades, our rules, and a little bit about me on the presentation. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll get to them on September 2nd. Thank you and have a great night.